Let me quickly show you how you can convert any photo to sketch in Canva. It's a very simple and straightforward process. So if you have an image you want to convert into a sketch, here is how to do it. Let me go to my upload to get my images. I'll be using these two images. Let me duplicate the page so I can have the images on separate. So I can have one image on each of the page. Let's delete this one and then delete this one here. So here is my image that I want to convert into a sketch. I need to duplicate this image so I can show you what it looks like, so I can compare it after the conversion. So let's go to apps and search for photo to sketch. This one, photo to sketch. So with a photo selected, you can either upload or select. So if you don't have any photo here, you can always upload. So I have my filter strength at 3. Then I can choose to give it a transparent background. If I check this, it will come out in a transparent background. Then I'll click on transform and replace. So here it is. Here is my sketch coming in a transparent background. So you see that it looks exactly like my image. You can tell that this is me. Let's also try the same for this one. This time we will not remove the background. Let me also duplicate this. This time we don't want it to come in a transparent background. Let's see the difference. So I'll uncheck this one and click on transform and replace. So this is it. So there's not much difference whether it comes with a background, a transparent background or not. So here it is. So this is how you can convert your photo into a sketch in just minutes, in less than 1 minute. So this is and this is it. So go ahead and try it out and enjoy using Canva.